Hello everyone, this is my review of the Short Shot Recovery Drink in Citrus Splash flavor, a standout product for anyone looking to boost hydration. This premium recovery beverage is packed with electrolytes and essential vitamins that help with hydration. At just for once per bottle, it is super convenient to carry and drink on the go. The flavor is light and refreshing, with a perfect balance of citrus tang that is neither too sweet nor overpowering. It is sugar-free, gluten-free, and doesn't have the artificial aftertaste that many recovery drinks tend to have. I found it particularly helpful after workouts or long days when I need an energy boost and mental clarity. The added vitamins and electrolytes work wonders for recovery and rehydration, especially after strenuous activities or late nights. Overall, the Short Shot Recovery Drink is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a compact, effective, and tasty hydration solution. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.